Chitchat English.
I learned English by myself.
That's amazing. Good job.
Do you have a lot of friends here?
Yes, I've made quite a few friends.
How many sisters have you?
I have 2 sisters.
Where do they live?
They live in the same city as me.
Why don't they like me?
I'm not sure. Maybe we can find out.
Why don't you like me?
I do like you. Why do you think I don't?
What do they do?
One is a teacher, and the other is a nurse.
Where are they going?
They're heading to the market.
How many brothers have you?
I have one brother.
Who is that woman?
She's my aunt.
How much do I owe you?
You owe me $20.
What does that word mean?
It means to be happy or joyful.
How much money do you have?
I have about $50 with me.
What time is it there now?
It's 3 p.m. here.
When did you come here last time?
I was here last summer.
Who was the last person to see you?
My friend, John.
Where did you meet her?
I met her at a conference.
What did he tell her?
He told her about the meeting.
Which book is mine?
The red one is yours.
Who are you?
I'm your new neighbor.
What is your name?
My name is Smith.
What is the name of this book?
It's called The Great Gatsby.
When is the next train leaving?
The next train leaves at 5 p.m.
Where does the train go?
It goes to the city center.
Why are you standing here?
I'm waiting for a friend.
Why did you come to Japan?
I came here for work.
How many times has he been to Japan?
He has been to Japan 3 times.
When did you learn English?
I learned English in high school.
Where did you study?
I studied at Oxford University.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are we going?
We're going to the mall.
Why didn't she come today?
She wasn't feeling well.
When do you go home?
I go home at 6 p.m.
How did he know?
He found out from a friend.
Why did she come to you?
She needed my help with something.
Where was I born?
You were born in New York.
How old are you now?
I am 30 years old now.
What time will you be home?
I'll be home by 8 p.m.
What is this?
This is a smartphone.
Where did he come from?
He came from Canada.
When did he graduate?
He graduated last year.
Why didn't he go to school?
He was feeling sick.
Who are you with?
I'm with my cousin.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Who else is here?
A few of my colleagues are here too.
Do you know anyone else here?
Yes, I know a couple of people.
What do they look like?
One is tall with dark hair, the other is shorter with blonde hair.
How much money do they make a year?
I'm not sure, I don't know their salary details.
Who knows her?
Her best friend knows her very well.
Who will make a tea for me?
I'll make it for you.
When did she come here?
She arrived this morning.
Where is it?
It's on the table in the living room.
Why didn't he tell me?
I'm not sure, maybe he forgot.
How long have they been married?
They've been married for 5 years.
What a lovely dress.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
What kind of dog is it?
It's a Labrador Retriever.
How old does he look?
He looks about 35 years old.
She cooks for you.
Yes, she does. She's a great cook.
I lost my wallet last week.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you find it?
The dogs belong to them.
Yes, they are their pets.
Everyone loves her.
She's very likable.
You need to go take yours.
All right, I'll get it now.
He will take it himself.
That's fine, he can handle it.
You are an engineer.
Yes, I am. I specialize in civil engineering.
She will take what is hers.
That's fair, she deserves it.
My father fixed the car himself.
He's quite handy, isn't he?
I can run faster than him.
That's impressive.
The man was being a positive embarrassment.
Yes, it was quite awkward.
You should go take it from him.
All right, I'll go and get it.
He is my best friend.
That's wonderful, best friends are special.
Someone knows where she is.
Let's find out who.
He was in a positive fury.
Yes, he was really angry.
I love dogs.
Me too. They're such loyal pets.
They live near here.
Oh, that's convenient.
Something positive has come out of it at last.
That's good news.
We can go on vacation with you.
That sounds like a fun plan.
I'm as positive as I can be about it.
That's great, stay optimistic.
You were the boss.
Yes, but now I have a different role.
The dog can walk itself.
That's quite independent.
His whole family knows he loves you.
That's very sweet.
She knows she has to study for exams.
Yes, she's very responsible.
He learned to read by himself.
That's impressive, he's very smart.
The soldiers killed him.
That's very sad.
She is a mechanical engineer.
That's great, it's a challenging field.
I will get myself a coffee.
Sure, go ahead.
Today we will come.
Looking forward to seeing you.
He loves to play basketball.
Yes, he's really good at it.
You know I love you so much.
I love you too.
You should take care of yourself.
I will, thank you for your concern.
Whose pants are these?
They belong to my brother.
Why didn't you go to school?
I wasn't feeling well.
Which car would make you happier?
I would prefer the blue one.
Which do you prefer, white or red?
I prefer red.
Are you going on holiday this weekend?
Yes, I'm planning a trip to the beach.
Where can I see you again?
We can meet at the cafe tomorrow.
Where was your school? I want to leave you today.
My school is just down the street.
When can I get the answer to these questions?
I'll have the answers by tomorrow.
Who is coming to the play?
Several of our friends are coming.
When do you intend to move here?
I'm planning to move next month.
How kind of school do you want to study at?
I want to study at a school with a strong science program.
How did you get here alone?
I took the bus.
How do you manage to laugh like this?
I find joy in the little things.
Whose birthday is today?
It's my sister's birthday.
Does she have black hair?
Yes, she does.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Why are you bored?
I'm bored because I have nothing to do.
Will you go abroad after you finish school?
Yes, I'm planning to study abroad.
Who finished your meal today? Raise your hands.
I did, it was delicious.
Can't we be friends again?
I hope so, let's try to make up.
Whom did you call to the party tomorrow?
I invited my classmates.
Whose is this big red notebook?
It's mine, I use it for my notes.
Tell me what you're doing today.
I'm working on a project and then meeting a friend.
What sort of nation might you want to live in?
I would like to live in a peaceful and developed country.
Where did you lose your bracelet?
I think I lost it at the park.